Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get deleted Excel sheet updated. Open the workbook and check file info for restore previous versions, then inspect auto recover files and the recycle bin for backups. If you use OneDrive, check version history and restore the file copy. For shared workbooks, ask colleagues to check their local copies. Save recovered sheets to a new file immediately and enable regular backups to prevent future data loss. Start with undo when possible, then check hidden sheets and filters that may hide data. Use Unhide on the Sheet tab menu and inspect group and outline settings. Look in the workbook's archived copies, temporary files, and auto recover folders. If macros deleted the sheet, inspect VBA project backups. Always export recovered data to CSV before closing Excel and set auto recover intervals to save more frequent versions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recovery guides. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for lunches, perfect for saving time between edits. Check the description for the link and other deals and support the channel if you like these tools. Your clicks really help creators keep free tutorials coming. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. OneDrive and SharePoint often keep version histories you can restore, so check their restore options first. Open the file online, select version history, and restore a prior copy. For local recovery, search for TMP or tilde files and open them in Excel. Use File Open Recover Unsaved workbooks for auto recover files. Also check emailed attachments and local downloads for older copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.